Hi, my name is Kim Ken, and I'm the founder and director of eXtend Homeschool Tutorial. We are a twice-a-week group that meets on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and we teach the 4 core and more, which is the math, the English, the science, the social studies, and we offer it in an a la carte setting, so families are welcome to take as few or as many classes as they desire. So I'm a homeschool mom of 6 kids, and I've been doing this for 20 years. And when I first started this tutorial, I was looking for something that allowed the flexibility of going whenever I wanted to go and allowing my kids to take whatever classes they need. And if I didn't need something, I wasn't forced into a box where I had to take it. And that's pretty much the beauty of what we do. The other piece is that my kids needed a community, and I needed them to not miss out on things. I needed them not to miss out on prom. I needed them not to miss out on hanging out with friends. And so that's part of what we do here at eXtend, is provide that amazing community experience so the kids feel like they're not missing out on anything, because the truth is, they're not. So what does it look like to be at eXtend Homeschool Tutorial? Depends on the day. If it's a Tuesday or a Thursday and you're in a math class or an English class, then you're gonna get that fundamental classical model where you're learning the basics and then you're kind of putting them together. If you're in our science class or our social studies class, anything goes. You've got a lot of hands-on learning. You've got amazing field trips. So for example, we went to Philadelphia. We saw pretty much everything that was there. The museums, running up the Rocky Steps. The other thing is that we're right here in the nation's capital, so we take full advantage of being able to go to the Kennedy Center, being able to go to all the museums and the monuments, you name it, we pretty much will do it here. And then for the fun stuff, oh my goodness, we do the roller skating outings, we do the movie outings, we do it all. And that really is a part of that amazing community that we've created here at eXtend. So what are the benefits of being a part of eXtend Homeschool Tutorial? There are really 3 of them. Number 1, the academics. So in our tutorial model, we take a lot of that heavy lifting off because all of the main concepts are introduced on that Tuesday and Thursday. And so on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, you're really just following up with what they've been taught in class. So that really lightens your load as a parent. The other thing is community, which is just amazing, being able to form those relationships. And then the third benefit is the flexibility. Because the truth of the matter is, if you can do the academics at home and you really just want the social, and let's say you just want to do PE, you've got the flexibility to do that. That is part of the beauty of the a la carte model, is that you can do whatever it is that your family needs. And you get to do it in a magnificent community of people who are like-minded and want to do it with you.